Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, My Crazy Big Black Family on YouTube. And if you're new to this channel, get subscribed. This video today is going to be us doing a haunted mansion, somewhat like a gingerbread house, but it is the Halloween version of a gingerbread house. So we will be building this or something that looks like this, guys. So stay tuned. So guys, we're gonna take a look at the direction so that we don't get it wrong. Anybody that builds these knows it can be confusing. Wait a minute, Budge. So we're gonna go direction by direction. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do this first. That's the first thing we're gonna do. So we got all our pieces out right here. And we're going to put frosting around the edges of these, just like the picture says. But we're going to start with these and this first. Stay tuned. So guys, I'm going around the edges and I'm making the foundation like the box says. This is the first step. I've already opened up my pieces. Wait a minute, Budge. And now I'm just laying down the frosting for my glue for my foundation.
I see them too. Don't do that on my head.
Squeeze it. Look, look. Look. So guys, yep, you can do that side. So I just Budge and me, well, mostly me, but I did one side, and it says we're supposed to just do these edges right here because this is going to be the way I guess the side of the house is going to go. So now Brooke's going to do her side. Yeah, wait a minute. It's not time for that yet, Budge. You got to wait a second. We got to do it the way the box says.
I'll hold it.
Okay. So go ahead, Brooke. Now you just
turn around down.
Yeah. Right around the edges.
Around the edges.
Yep. And then on the other, make sure you put enough though so it can stick. It will hold it.
Oh yeah, I got mine, Becky. Yeah. There you go. Now put some on this side. Good job. Keep it in the line, bro. Good job.
It seems that we have a little problem here. So apparently these little pieces are supposed to fit down inside here. But if you notice, this doesn't fit. And this is exactly how it's supposed to go. According to the box, the back is supposed to go up first, or the sides, and look, it doesn't fit either way. So now I'm gonna have to figure out how can I put this on unless I go on the outside and do it because it doesn't fit inside here. So this is what you would call, I think this would be a defect because it doesn't go on there the way it's supposed to, the way the box shows it, guys. The box shows it. Hold the box up, Brooke. The box shows it. See, guys? Not close. Wait a minute, Budge. Let me zoom in. Wait a minute. See how the box shows it go right inside there? But it doesn't go inside there the way the box shows. So we're going to have to figure out, maybe I have to shave it down a little bit to fix it in there. So guys, apparently we didn't have it. It wasn't wrong. We were wrong. We had it turned inside out. So this is how it's supposed to be. But we had it like this, guys. So when you turn it like this, it will fit inside. So now we got to re-glue this instead of this so that it will fit inside there. So guys, now it should fit the way it's supposed to. So this is my front. So that's the wrong side. That's the front, right? That's the front door. No, this is the front.
This is the back.
You sure?
Yeah, this is the back.
Okay.
This is the back.
My granddaughter said this is the back. So this goes
This is the back.
right here.
This is the back.
And I'm going to put some glue around it, guys. Stay tuned.